I think even just kind of to kind of backtrack why made it into commercial baking is I actually come from milk manufacturing. And so I really have always enjoyed the idea of feeding the world. And I think the commercial bakery industry has some insanely deep roots. I had heard even before coming into the baking world that baking is an art. And I think being in environmental health and safety and food safety, I've really gotten a nice opportunity with Klosterman to dip my toe into how every department works. And it truly is an art. And sometimes commercial baking gets a bad rap about, oh, it's mass produced. But I can tell you firsthand in 3 years in the industry that even large quantity bread producing is still an art and very complex. And so I'm very, very excited to further develop my knowledge just in the baking process. I actually came in initially excited to, and I'm still excited to work with Dale and to have an amazing mentor where you've traveled the world and you have all these complex industries. The complexity of the bakery was just really an extra opportunity I didn't even realize that I was getting to basically experience. And so definitely is more of I didn't know that my passion would develop for baking, honestly, in the same way that it did for milk after about 3 years in the industry. So it's slowly but surely becoming more of a passion than just an interest.